5 класс, английский язык. Аренда велосипеда, автомобиля. Домашнее задание. Страница 122. English. Spotlight 5. Renting bike, a car. Homework page 122. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you? You look wonderful today. So do you? That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I am glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I am very glad you like it. My dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 122. 122. English in use. Renting a bike, a car. Listen and repeat. Exercise number 1. Can I help you? We'd like to rent 2 bikes, please. They look great. How many days would you like them for? Well, how much does it cost per day? It's £6 a day for which bike? We'll have them for 2 days, then please. Can you sign here, please? My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. The sentences above are from a dialogue at Stan's shop. Who says what? The assistant or the customer? Listen, read and check. Предложение выше из диалога в магазине Стэна. Кто говорит какие фразы? Консультант или клиент? Послушайте, прочитайте и проверьте. The answer. Assistant. Can I help you? How many days would you like them for? It's £6 a day for each bike. Can you sign here, please? Customer. We'd like to rent 2 bikes, please. They look great. Well, how much does it cost per day? We'll have them for 2 days then, please. Boys and girls, do exercise number 3. Read again. What kind of bikes does the customer rent? Прочитайте диалог снова. Какие велосипеды взял на прокат клиент? Hello, can I help you? Yes, please. We'd like to rent 2 bikes, please. Right. We've got ordinary bikes or mountain bikes. Which would you prefer? Mountain bikes, I think. Okay, well, we've got these 2 red ones here. They look great. How many days would you like them for? Well, how much does it cost per day? It's £6 a day for which bike? That's okay. We'll have them for 2 days then, please. Certainly. Can you sign here, please? Of course. The answer. The customer rents 2 red mountain bikes. Look at the advert. Your family are on a holiday and want to rent something. Act out dialogues between the assistant and the customer. Record your service. Посмотрите на объявление. У твоей семьи отпуск, и вы хотели бы взять в аренду что-нибудь. Разыграй диалог между консультантом и покупателем. Запишите себя. The answer. Hello, can I help you? Yes, I'd like to rent a car, please. I see. We've got small cars or jeeps. Which would you prefer? I think I would prefer small one. Okay, well, we've got this red one here. It looks great. I'll take it. How many days would you like it for? Well, how much does it cost? It's £24 a day. I'll have it for a week then. Certainly. Can you sign here, please? Of course. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. I fly so blue in the sky. Even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Much fun. When evening comes, I'm back to my bed, closed and safe, enjoying sunset. Close a goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile, look at my wings. Close a goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile, look at my wings. Beautiful day, so warm in the sun, flying and dancing may so much fun. When evening comes, I'm back to my bed, closed and safe, enjoying sunset. Close a goodbye, please.